What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, turn motivation into means, and dog pound exotic pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there? And we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the flyers and the best information that's going to help everybody win. I got some lenders that's going to give y'all the bag. Yes, I got some places that can give two places that's giving up to $5,000 with no credit check and instant approvals. Yes, here we are again with the instant approval, no credit check loans. It's a lot of places out there, and a lot of people don't talk about them. So with that being said, I'm going to give y'all these lenders where to go to get approved up to $5,000. So you apply to both of them, you can get up to $10,000. One of them, then they, like I said, no FICO, funds transfer within 15 minutes for one of them. And it's easy, all right? So let's get into the sauce. Let's get into the gems. Let's get into the information that's going to help all of y'all win. All right, so everybody out there looking to get bad credit loans, looking to get some type of fast funds, looking to get some money, which is perfectly fine. Everybody needs money. Everybody needs money, period, because every 4 weeks the bills are due. So everybody's looking for some way to make some type of money. And with that being said, hold on. I've been talking all day, giving lessons all day. No free promotion. With that being said, a lot of people are looking to get money. Now, it's a lot of people out here with different situations. It's people out here with felons under their belt. It's people out here with super bad credit. People out here with super bad debt. It's people out here with just different situations. Now, these two places are CPN friendly. And like I told you guys before, CPNs and profiles are two different things. There is no such thing as a pre-built CPN. When people are using other people's information and getting fake IDs with this information, those are called profiles. So you're not going to go get a loan with anybody's profile. That's illegal. We're not doing that. But these places are CPN friendly, and CPNs are credit privacy numbers that are built around you. So you're using your same name, same birthday, just a different number. So these two places, big buck loans and green tree loans or green dollar loans, will give you up to $5,000 with bad credit and instant approval. So let's get into how your credit profile is supposed to be structured, what all you need in order to succeed and get these two loans. Now, a lot of people, okay, let's put it like this, because I want to say everything is easy, make everything sound as easy as possible, so y'all can really understand what's really going on. When it comes to borrowing money, banks are just like people. Okay, yeah. Banks are just like people when it comes to borrowing money. when you ask people, your family members, friends, to borrow money, they don't really want to give you money. Nobody likes to lend people money. Let's just keep it funky right there. Nobody likes to lend people money. Because people have a bad habit of not paying people back their money. So the banks are just like people. They don't really want to lend anybody money either. Unless you can show that you can pay it back. And that's for anybody in any bank. So, when you go to borrow money from a person, they ask you, well, when you gonna pay it back? Or, well, if I lend you this money, you gotta pay a percentage on back to me plus the amount that you owe. When you go to a bank, they checking everything. They want to see if you got a job, if you can pay this money back, how good are you with managing money, how long have you been managing this money. That's how a credit profile is structured. That's how a credit profile is built. So when people are using CPNs to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, they understand that just like your original profile, you have to build your CPN profile the same way. You have to build the credit, establish it. This is where people get messed up at, right? Because I really want y'all to really understand these things. A lot of people get CPNs. They build them the right way. And they automatically try to go get a $50,000, $60,000 car. Which is going to draw a red flag. Why? Because, okay, you built this CPN. You use your birthday. You're 25. You get an ID card. You even go try merger, get a credit score on it. You try to go get this car. It's going to draw a red flag. Why? Because, first of all, when it comes to CPNs, you still have to build it the right way. Like, you got to, just like a regular profile, you got to build the age, the debt, and the payment history on that profile too. So a lot of people get the perception that you buy CPN, you could just go do willy-nilly and whatever that you want to do. No. It's going to draw a red flag that you have this credit profile with nothing on it and you're trying to go get a $40,000 loan. Because they're going to see when this profile was generated and all that. Like, it shows, like, this is a brand new profile. Like, huh? 25, nothing on it? Huh? So what you want to do is you want to go throw an auto primary trade line on there for cheaper. You can get you a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 car. Go get you a little Hyundai, a little car. Just go finance it. Once you finance it, now you got an auto primary trade line on that CPN. So these little small car lots and things like that. Then go refinance it at a DCU or a Bank of America. So then it'll be a paid off auto primary trade line on your credit report. And you have 3 months to start making your new payments on that payment, on that car payment. So now you got an auto primary trade line paid off on that CPN. Now you can go to Trade Line Supply, creditstrong.com. creditstrong.com, magnumcredit.com, and add a $40,000 trade line. So they got an auto trade line, and you got trade lines on there. So that's 40 and 40. Let's just say $80,000 right there. You start getting credit builder accounts on there. Let's say roughly $10,000 right there, because I already gave y'all credit unions 5 credit unions that will allow you to give. I gave y'all 5 credit unions that give up to $10,000 in primary trade lines. So that's $90,000 right there. Then the authorized users, trade line supply, they got credit card accounts from $1,000 to $100,000 that you can buy to report to your credit report. So let's say $60,000. That's $150,000 right there that you just added on that CPN in good debt. And by you making payments on this for X amount of time, you're building it in a faster and easier than the regular person would their own credit. Because this person technically doesn't exist. So it's not like they getting traffic tickets and all this all day, every day, and paying this bill and paying that bill. And no, you're just building up this profile. Or the person do exist, but it's like another you. Like the B side of you. We're going to say it like that. That's the B side of you. You got the A side and the B side. The A side is the original, B side is the second profile. So that's an easy way to build a CPN. To have the primary trade lines and the trade lines on there with good payment history and good debt to be reported. So now that you got that debt being reported on that CPN or your regular credit, it's the same thing. Or your original profile, it's the exact same thing. Make sure you got a bank account, checking the savings with smaller banks, no bigger banks, because they help you push the loans through. Then you want to go to the 2 sites and apply for them. Now, with big buck loans, the requirement that they have is that you make at least $1,000 with every 3 months. And with green dollar loans, you got to make at least $1,000 each month. So borrow what you need when you need with big buck loans, from $100 to $5,000. All FICO scores welcome. Funds transfer within 15 minutes. No footprint left on your credit file. 9 to 10 customers approved every day. All right, so they got a lot of different things. They got a lot of different loans. And it just breaks down. So am I eligible for apps that let you borrow money? The process is fairly simple. If you decide to borrow money from Cash App or use another app to borrow money, most applicants are eligible, and all they need is to download the app, capture their details, and wait for the answer. Of course, using the app could be quite limiting. For instance, when you borrow money from Cash App, you can access $20 to $200, but it just breaks down everything. So similar to Cash Apps that let you borrow money, instead use their loan finder service with big buck loans and access a short-term loans ranging from $100 to $5,000. So to borrow money from big buck loans, you need to be at least 18 years old, must be a legal U.S. citizen or resident with your own U.S. bank account. So smaller banks, you must earn at least $1,000 per month and be able to prove it. That's all you need to do. Make at least $1,000 a month and be able to prove it. Must be able to afford the loan, so that means pay stubs, so that's nothing. So that's just with big buck loans right there. Then with Dollar Tree, you got loans up to $5,000. Bad credit, good credit accepted, but they have higher APRs. Their APR go up to 35.99, so almost 40% APR. All FICO scores welcome. You fill out an application in 2 minutes, confirm loan terms, and they find you a lender to match. And like I said, $1,000 every 3 months with them. It says, so it's not hard to get approved for money. It's a lot of places out here giving out instant cash, quick thousands of dollars, because it's not big loans. It's not a big $25,000, $20,000, $50,000. None of that. It's just a quick couple $1,000. All you gotta do is make $1,000 every month or every 3 months, and you can get approved for 2 $5,000 loans, which is $10,000, and you can go do whatever you need to succeed and be successful whatever that you want to do, right? That's up to you once you get the money, all right? So make sure y'all getting this information. Make sure y'all working on your credit. Make sure y'all adding them trade lines. Make sure y'all really paying attention to the difference between CPNs and profiles. CPNs are not pre-built. They cannot be pre-built. Anything that's pre-built with an ID is a profile. That's fraudulent. That is illegal. We are not doing that. We are not using those because a lot of people are getting jammed up and not doing their research on what's what and what ain't. And a lot of people think these profiles is pre-built CPNs and they're getting jammed up trying to get cars and homes and things like that. So we're just acknowledging people, helping people get rich, helping people get money the right way, which is with the credit, because credit is the number one money game in the world. And as long as you know credit, you can do a lot of different things, right? So with that being said, let's get paid. Let's get out the way. Quick cash loans, green dollar loans, big buck loans, $5,000 each, $1,000 a month is a requirement to make, and you're good to go. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. For a limited time only, I am doing FaceTime one-on-one limit gems for $350. Yes, $350. Original price is $1,000. So with that being said, do not miss out on this opportunity. A lot of people want to get everything for free in life, where it's not going to happen. You tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke. You ready to start making passive income, all profit. You want to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day all profit. You want to learn to make $15,000 to $100,000 a month all profit. Sitting in a chair just like this. You want to learn how to invest. You want to learn how to get your credit right. You want to learn how to do these methods the right way so you can make instant thousands of dollars. You want to learn how to do the Cash App, Bitcoin, low, all that good stuff like that. Get y'all FaceTime one-on-one limited gems lessons for $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we'll go from there. No screenshot, no reply. Get y'all in-person lessons, $5,500. Come tap in with me. Meet me out in Houston, Texas. I'm going to give you all the sauce, all the gems that's going to help you win. I'm also going to give you the opportunity to become a credit consultant certified by the board, unlike a lot of these people that's out here teaching credit and don't know what they're talking about. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Make sure you're getting y'all mentorships for 3 months, $7,500. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegrams, New Age Credit Repair, and the Millionaire Network. Links is in the description. Make sure you go follow my new YouTube channel, King Hussle Live. I will be going live. So make sure you all follow that channel right there. Hit the all notification bell and go follow the IG, King Hussle Live. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand, Boost Color Department. Drop a new jogger soon. At the top of March, new apparel and kids apparel soon. Make sure you follow my blog channels, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle, and No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M. New mixtape dropping at 12 o'clock in the morning in a couple of minutes, 20, 30 minutes so from the time I'm recording this. So make sure y'all go like and run them views up, because that's a fire. Matter of fact, this mixtape dropping at the right time. This mixtape dropping at 12 o'clock midnight, so you guys can listen and get some money. It's hustle and flow time. So make sure y'all go listen to that. And make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all getting these lessons. Make sure y'all getting y'all methods. And make sure y'all watching these videos and elevating y'all life and growth. Because everybody tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke. So with that being said, I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.